And lastly, I'm going to touch on concussion reporting, because this is a big thing. Concussion reporting can be an absolute pain in the ass, but it's super important, because unless you know where these injuries are happening, how long they're taking to recover, how frequently they're happening, what age groups they're happening in, you can't really make any good decisions off of that. You need to know that information to start making changes to see how it affects the data, right? And so doing this all by hand is currently how most people are doing it. Now, of course, we have an app for that, and it's free. You can download it from the Google Play. You can download it from the App Store. And what it allows you to do is, if you're a coach, you can input all of your players. If you're a player, you can do your own baseline testing on there. We have neurocognitive testing on there, so you can at least do that portion of it on there. You should obviously do more, as I mentioned. But we have free neurocognitive testing on the app. On athletes, if you get injured, there's a whole bunch of other resources for you, like diet plans, finding local clinics. You can submit your symptoms on an ongoing basis. We have all sorts of stuff to help you with your recovery when concussions happen. If you're a coach and an injury happens, if you're a parent and an injury happens, or you think that one of your players has a concussion, it walks you through things to look for. It brings up red flags. If these things are going on, this person goes to the hospital, and it tells you that. These are the things that are concerning. Is the person vomiting? Yada, yada, yada. That's hospital trip. If all of those are negative and you answer no to all of those, then it moves on to the next phase, and it walks you through a full sideline assessment, including a neurocognitive test where you give the athlete the phone, and we have reaction time testing right on the phone, and it compares to their baseline. So right there, you're getting real-time comparison with an athlete's pre-injury healthy score, and it's all done with this completely free application. That injury report gets saved. You can send it to the league office. You can save it on your phone. The athlete gets a copy of it, and then it also notifies every other coach that athlete is associated with. So if that athlete plays multiple sports, hockey, soccer, football, lacrosse, whatever, that athlete gets concussed playing hockey, the football coach, the rugby coach, the soccer coach, the lacrosse coach, they all get notified. Johnny's got a concussion. Oh, okay, wow. And they weren't even there, but now they know. So Johnny can't just say, well, my soccer coach doesn't know, so I'm going to go play soccer. No, the soccer coach knows. The teachers know. Everyone knows now. So it's the whole communication line, circle of care. Everybody's aware. The person's clinic gets notified. So if Johnny's going to a CCMI clinic, the clinic gets notified. So now we can fast track Johnny in for care. We know that faster care equals better outcomes, faster recovery. So now we can fast track Johnny in for care. So this whole communication line, and then when the injury is done, you can upload the medical clearance letter, and now it's full circle. You have the whole injury wrapped up. From a liability perspective, you have everything that was done with that particular athlete. You have the entire thing from point of injury to full completion. So it's a free app. Go download it. It'll help you with reporting. It'll help you with reducing your liability. It'll help you with reducing the claims of negligence and everything else. And like I said, it's completely free to use. You don't even need to have one of our clinics to be able to use it. It's completely free and can be done irrespective of that. Go to Google Play, go to the App Store, download Concussion Tracker. Okay, it's completely free.